What's up, guys? Today I just want to talk a little bit about what's gonna be my next project, which is gonna be my restoring my tail light on my Trans Am. Luckily, I have a spare one, which I'm gonna try two things on them. One of them is gonna be clear coat, and the other is gonna be polish. So I'm gonna see which side it looks the best, and I'm gonna go with that one. All right, guys, this is how it's gonna go down. This side is gonna take the clear, and this side is gonna be the compound. That's what I'm gonna use on this side. Well, eventually I'm gonna be using it in the whole thing, but right now I'm gonna use the clear right here. I'm gonna wait a week. I'm gonna wet sand it again with a 1500 sandpaper, and then I'm gonna use the compound all over. So I'm gonna see the difference with just with a 1000 grade sandpaper and polish, and then 1000 grade sandpaper, wet sand with the clear coat and the compound. So let's see. I guess we have to wait a week. What's up, guys? It's been a week since I did the clear coat, and it on half of it, as you can see, it looks really nice. I mean, it got the wet look to it. It looks really nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I got a 1500 grit, and I got my water with a little bit of soap, and I'm gonna do the whole thing to get rid of the orange peel. So then after that, I'm gonna polish it with this pad with some compound, but I'm gonna do the whole thing. This side is only been wet sand with a 1000 grade. So now I'm gonna do 1500 on all of it, and let's see which side it looks the best. If the one with the clear coat plus a buff, or just with a wet sand and a buff. So let's get to it. Right now I'm just trying to get it nicely wet. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you how they look. You can see that's what I divided. This one is just wet sand with a buff. This side I did a clear coat, wet sand, and a buff as well. I mean, they both look really nice, but I still kind of like better this half, the one with the clear coat. That's just me. So I mean, I hope this video help you guys to decide which route you want to go, with the clear coat or just wet sand and a quick buff. But I mean, it looks nice, but I just like this one better. All right, thank you guys. If you like this video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.